The Kia Cadenza, a full-size sedan, was once a strong contender in the automotive market. Introduced as a luxurious yet affordable option, it quickly gained a loyal following among those who appreciated its blend of style and substance. It offered a compelling blend of luxury, technology, and affordability. The interior was adorned with high-quality materials, and the dashboard was packed with advanced technology, making it a joy to drive and ride in. However, Kia made the decision to discontinue the Cadenza after the 2020 model year. This move was part of a broader strategy to focus on more popular segments like SUVs and electric vehicles. This essay will delve into the features and specifications of this stylish sedan, focusing particularly on the 2020 model. We'll take a closer look at what made the Cadenza stand out in a crowded market. We'll explore its strengths, such as its spacious interior and advanced safety features. The Cadenza was equipped with state-of-the-art safety systems, including lane assist and adaptive cruise control, which provided peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. We'll also touch upon its weaknesses, like its somewhat underwhelming performance compared to some rivals. While the Cadenza excelled in comfort and technology, it lagged behind in terms of engine power and driving dynamics. Ultimately, we'll provide a balanced review of the Kia Cadenza, examining why it appealed to many drivers while also acknowledging the reasons behind its discontinuation. The Cadenza's elegant design and feature-rich interior made it a favorite among those seeking a premium experience without the premium price tag. While the Cadenza is no longer in production, understanding its attributes can be valuable. For those considering a used Cadenza, knowing its strengths and weaknesses can help make an informed decision. It can help potential buyers considering a used Cadenza make an informed decision. The Cadenza's reputation for reliability and comfort makes it a worthwhile option in the used car market. Additionally, it provides context for the evolution of Kia's lineup and the trends within the sedan segment as a whole. The discontinuation of the Cadenza reflects broader shifts in consumer preferences, with more buyers gravitating towards SUVs and crossovers. This exploration of the Kia Cadenza serves as a tribute to a car that, while short-lived, made a mark on the automotive landscape. Its blend of luxury, technology, and affordability set a standard that many other sedans aspired to. It's a reminder that even discontinued models can offer valuable insights into car design, technology, and market forces. The Cadenza's legacy lives on, influencing future designs and reminding us of the ever-evolving nature of the automotive industry.